Commercial fishing is the most dangerous industry in the United States. Each year, dozens of lives are lost.
Starboard side, get the life ring!
Man overboard emergencies are common in the industry.
Stand by! Stand by! Okay, you got it, Terry. Okay, I got it.
You're a responsible skipper. Therefore, how do you plan to handle a man overboard emergency? What equipment have you actually checked out? How do you plan to get your crewmen back over the rail? A person with water-soaked clothing may weigh in excess of 250 pounds, dead weight. Hypothermia and shock weaken the man overboard rapidly, especially in cold water. Traditional life ring may not be reliable, so you must rely on the remaining strength of the victim. I'd like to introduce you to the Lifesling. The Lifesling is a man overboard recovery device similar to a Coast Guard helicopter lifting sling. It will lift a man aboard from the water. The Lifesling is designed to grip the man overboard. Even if he is weak from hypothermia, he cannot fall out. The Lifesling has flotation to help your crew members stay on the surface while you prepare to retrieve him. This device has saved many lives in conditions ranging from calm to heavy seas. There are essentially 6 steps in the recovery process. First, maintain a lookout so that the victim will be kept in sight. Second, mark the location the victim went over with smoke or a buoy in daylight or a marker light after dark. Third, return the vessel to the victim. Fourth, approach the victim closely but very carefully. Fifth, deploy the Lifesling within the victim's reach. Sixth, a mechanical advantage almost certainly will be needed to hoist the victim aboard. This is how the procedure works.
Overboard!
As soon as the man goes over, maintain a sharp lookout. When the man goes over, keep him in sight. The skipper must immediately maneuver the boat back toward the man overboard so that visual contact will not be lost. There are 2 principal methods of return. First, the Williamson turn. Second, a simple circle. The Williamson turn is the traditional method for returning in poor visibility, at night, or with large vessels where the man overboard may not be in sight. By coming over to a course 60 degrees from the original and then to 180 degrees from original course, the vessel will come back to her original course line, heading out the opposite way. In daylight, and where the man overboard can be kept in view, a simple circular turn is faster. On making the final approach, bring the boat close enough so that the Lifesling can be passed by the man overboard. The man overboard gets into the Lifesling by placing it under his arms. He must face the open end and keep strain in the lines. Apply power to haul the man aboard. If the man overboard is helpless due to shock or hypothermia, use a rescue swimmer in an immersion suit to place the Lifesling around the victim. The Lifesling can be used with various types of vessels, including boats with small crews. Some smaller boats can trail the Lifesling astern, towing it in a circle to contact the victim, just as in picking up a water skier. This is safer and easier. The victim may be pulled alongside after the engines are stopped. The Lifesling is adaptable to a wide variety of vessels. High freeboard is a serious problem that is solved by using the Lifesling. Adapt the lifting method to the equipment available on your boat. Use a simple block and tackle if better hoisting equipment is unavailable. Practice, practice, practice.
Not stowed properly.
Practice Lifesling drills before an emergency occurs. This is important. Train your crew ahead of time. As with any safety drill, your chances of success will increase substantially with training. Show your crew in a hands-on way how to use the Lifesling. Learn the maneuvering characteristics that are unique to your boat so that you can safely come alongside. The common link between fishing vessel deaths is the violence of the sea, an unremitting danger faced by all. Every master is responsible by law to equip and train his crew to cope with this danger to the best of his ability. Can you rescue the man in the water?